Hey guys, welcome to another active rest day. This is the fifth active rest day that we're going to be having during this 6-week challenge. Well, it's actually the final active rest day when I think about it, because next week there is no point in having an active rest day, right? So this is literally the final active rest day of the challenge. The weight loss has been going really well. Today my weight has increased compared to yesterday by 0.7 kilos, which is about like 1.5 pounds, which is fine. No big deal. Today is intermittent fasting as usual, as it has been during the whole transformation. I'm gonna eat like, I don't know, maybe like 6 p.m. or so. I usually end up eating like around 6 p.m.-ish, and I'm probably gonna continue that. I will end up eating by like 6 p.m., which I usually end up eating around. The weather is a little bit rainy, so I'm definitely gonna go out to do some cardio. If it's not raining, it's gonna be cycling. If it is raining, it's gonna be walking most likely. But if it's raining, I'm not gonna be able to shave it too much, but I'll still try to do something, right? Other than that, today I've been a little bit hungry. Like, it's currently 10 a.m. and normally like during my intermittent fasting days, like active rest days basically, I don't feel this hungry, but today in particular I feel like a little bit hungrier than usual, which, you know, we're gonna have to suck it up basically. All right, so and as for calories, after intermittent fasting, I usually end up eating somewhere around 2,000 calories, 2,100 or so. Today is going to be no different. Just because the last week is coming doesn't mean that I'm gonna start eating less or anything, okay? I'll just continue with what I've been doing. It's been working really well, as you know, so there is no need to change anything or alter anything, okay? You're gonna see my physique update. I've taken a video earlier, so after this recap part ends, you're gonna see my physique update. And yesterday I told you that I'm actually where I wanna be already, so you're gonna see it from my physique as well. Like, I already have my visible abs, like not like extremely lean or defined, but it's like visible, and this is where I want it to be. I find it to be more comfortable for me, and also like I can still eat like a little bit more calories, you know, and maintain like the same kind of leanness, all right, if I want to. But after this challenge, I'm going to be preparing for a contest, basically a competition. So for that competition, I shouldn't be too lean because it's gonna affect my performance significantly. So I need to be at a very good cardio state, all right? So I need to be at a certain leanness where I can perform well cardiovascularly, okay? Because it's more of a fitness challenge, all right? So this fitness competition, basically. So for that, I cannot go too lean. There's no point, because if I go too lean, then it's gonna affect my fitness performance, and then I'm not gonna be able to win the competition if I can. I don't know if I can, but we'll see. So there have been some people who commented some stuff about, like, you know, video requests kind of stuff, or some questions that are worthy of making videos. Don't worry, I didn't forget. I'm most likely gonna make them after I finish this 6-week challenge, all right? So we are gonna start next week really strong if I don't talk to you later today. I think you're gonna be more motivated, like, since that is the last week, like this is what happens with people. So since it's the last week, we're gonna push it just the same way that we did on our first week, if not even more, all right? And get rid of that final bits of fat, or whatever our goal is, weight or whatever, off of our body, basically, all right? In terms of my energy levels, they have been fine. I'm not so worried because my caloric intake was fine, basically. Like, that's the whole point, right? So there are like different kind of strategies you can follow when you are going on a cut, all right? So what I've been doing thus far was that I wanted to have my best performance basically throughout the whole challenge, all right? I didn't want to lose my strength, I didn't want to lose my endurance, I didn't want to lose anything, all right? I just wanted to lose fat basically, all right? So this is what I've been doing so far for 5 weeks now, and on the 6th week it's going to continue as well, all right? Because it is more difficult to get back your endurance or strength after a weight loss compared to like any other stuff, all right? So sometimes like taking it a little bit slow or easy is the way to go if you don't want to lose any kind of performance, okay? So for example, let's say if you lose some muscle, right? You can still get back the muscle in a relatively short time, but if you lose strength during a weight loss, it takes a lot longer to get back your strength, okay? I'm talking based on experience. So for example, let's say I lost some muscle and some strength along the way, all right? Maybe I will get the muscle in like 3 months, but maybe my strength to be at where it was to come back to those levels is gonna take like 6 months, okay? So really there's a very distinct difference in terms of like getting back the muscle you lost versus your strength or endurance is like relatively easy, but strength especially, like you don't want to lose strength if possible, all right? So of course muscle is important, especially for like natural athletes like myself and most likely like you. We don't want to lose because it is difficult to build the muscle in the first place, like actually gain muscle tissue is very difficult for natural athletes. I mean, when you're especially like advanced and stuff, right? Like in the beginning, it's very easy. But if you're like kind of like me, let's say you have like 7-8 years, almost 10 years of experience lifting, it becomes very difficult to gain any amounts of muscle. And that's one of the reasons also we don't want to lose that muscle like while we are dieting and so on, okay? Like, of course, when you're getting to a certain leanness, it becomes unavoidable. Like, there is no way to escape it, okay? Like, when you get to a certain leanness and you want to go like even leaner than that, it's impossible. You are definitely going to lose some muscle, okay? But like, currently I'm basically like getting to those levels where I'm going to end up like losing muscle, and I don't want to lose muscle. This is also one of the reasons why I don't want to go too lean, okay? I like to keep my muscle. With more muscle, I have more metabolism. My metabolism is higher. I can eat more. I can function better, all right? So this is the main reason, all right? So I don't want to keep this video too long. I hope I'm going to show you some stuff around. I really want to show you like some of the decorations that they have for Chinese New Year here. You know, I told you about like, I think on my second active rest day, I think. So I just want to show you like some of those, but we'll see, all right? So if I don't though, watch the physique update and then like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, all right? And I'll see you guys tomorrow on, what is it? Week 6, push day.